Your Google Drive is made up of files and folders. Folders are a good way to keep your files organized to quickly find what you need. To create a folder, click the new folder in My Drive, give your folder a name, and click Create. To open a folder, click on the folder name. In this folder, you will notice that I have several different types of files. If it is a Google document, and a Google document means that you use the Create button to create it, or you converted one of your documents to a Google Docs format, it will open and allow you to edit. So I'm going to click on this as a Google document, and notice that it opens with my edit buttons. Now to go back to your Google Drive, if you'll go to the left of your document title and click the Back to Google Drive button, it takes me back to my drive. Now this one is a Google Drive presentation, and then this one is a Google spreadsheet. But in this folder, I also have an Excel spreadsheet and I have a Word document. These are, and a PDF. These are files that have not been converted to a Google Doc. So when I click on it, it's going to open up in what's called preview mode. And in preview mode, you can just see what's in the document, and you have some options at the bottom. You can open the document, and if you open it, it would open it still in a preview mode in Google Docs. You can also choose to download that document, and then there are other options. You can print it, you can change the zoom in or zoom out, and you can also zoom it to fit the screen. If you choose to open it in preview mode, there are options at the top that you can download it, or you can also print it from the preview mode. I cannot edit this document because it is not a Google Doc. Now, this is good for if you want to use your Google Drive as just a storage location for your files, if you need to get your files from one location to another, but you do not want to change the type of file that it is. So, for example, this is an Excel file. I only want to use my Google Drive as a storage, and I'm going to open that with Excel. I can choose to convert these documents to a Google Drive document if I want to. So I'm going to take this Word document, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say open with, and I'm going to choose Google Docs. Now when I open it with the Google Docs, it will convert the Word file to an actual Google document file, and it will allow me to edit. And if you'll notice, when I go back to my Google Drive and I look for that file now, it made a copy of the original file, and it is now a Google document file that can be edited in Google Docs. If you click on a file that Google cannot recognize, you will receive a message that says that there is no preview. In this case, you can choose to download that file, and you can use the software that you have on your computer to open the file.